Hello everyone, my name is Emmy Klein, resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama, and today I am here with the Borciani and Bonazzi HIDRO synthetic sword striper brushes. Now, I quickly wanted to go over the two different styles that we have so that you can know which one is best for you. So first we have our more traditional sword liner brush. It has the short handle and it still has that longer bristle, which allows you to get some variation depending on how much pressure you apply when you're painting with it. So if you apply light pressure, you can get a nice delicate line, and if you apply a little bit more, you can get a nice broad line. And now we have our extra short handles, which are a little bit more specialized. They have the longer bristles and a shorter handle, which fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, and that allows you to have a lot of precision, which is great for pinstriping or detailed work. So that was the HIDRO synthetic sword striper brushes. I hope that helps you understand which one is best for you. Or if you really can't decide like me, just get them all.